Welcome back, everyone. Crowon here again, and we're going to tackle UCE Smart Invoke. So let's go ahead and get that brought in. And import that. This is a very small add-on, so there isn't much to do in it. The main gist of it is it's going to make it so invoking for recovery is not called 24/7. It is only called when needed, and on anything that doesn't need it, it won't call. So we're going to open up the README, and in here we have a core change, and that core change is going to be under entity. So we're going to go ahead and run to there and open it up, and we're just going to go ahead and copy that line we need to find out, paste it. There it is, and your choice is you can comment it out or you can delete it, completely up to you. Go ahead and let it recompile. And this is mainly just a big performance increase on that end. It's instead of having everything on your scene constantly trying to run its regeneration every frame, there's no point to that. So we're going to hit play. You're not going to see much here. We're just going to make sure recovery's still working when you do actually take damage. Otherwise, it's going to give us some performance back. Our NPCs aren't going to be running it for no reason when they're not even getting hurt. So we're going to take some damage now. We took some damage and we're recovering as normal. I'm just going to run away. And that is it. So I will catch you in the next one. Welcome back, everyone. Crowon here again, and we're going to tackle UCE Simple MPC Audio today. So let's go ahead and get that imported into our project. Import. Now keep in mind, I did include an audio clip in this. It is literally just recording of myself. It's nothing fantastic, nothing great. You are allowed to use it though if you would like in your project. I have absolutely no problem with that. So let's go ahead and open up that README. Alright, and in here we only have two minor core changes. So let's go ahead and get into scripts, UI, and it's going to be in UI dialog, MPC dialog, which is right there. Open that up, and let's go ahead and find where we need to go, which one is going to be here and one is right here. The first one is the bottom part. So copy out that blue text and paste it in, and then go to the next step and copy that blue text, and it's going to go right there. Paste it in, save that. You can go and minimize that out of the way, let it compile again. Alright, so I'm going to collapse all this to get it on my way. I have an audio clip in here that I created. We can go ahead and just quickly play that and make sure we can hear it. So I gotta... Well, hello, adventurer. Alright, so that came through fine. So let's go ahead and go to our alchemist, and on him, we're gonna bring that back down, and we're gonna have to find our new section, which I believe is near the top, isn't it? Which no, here it is. That's, for some reason it's on our text message. Mesh is, I can't talk today. Under interact audio, I'll go ahead and I'll add a header above this to make this stand out better, and it'll just be MPC audio. And in here we have the interact. So let's move hello adventure to interact audio. We want it to say it when we talk to our NPC. And then the other thing I noticed with what's set up standard here in uMMORPG is this is going to be really quiet when you start. And so we're going to scroll down, we're going to go to audio source. And the reason for this, the volume's at half, which not always a bad thing, doesn't blow your ears out. But other thing is we have spatial blend on 3D. Now this is a great feature in Unity by far. It lets you use these 3D settings, which essentially what that does is wherever your audio listener is, which is usually your camera, it will play the song and have the sound effect and have a drop off based on distance. And you can manually set distance and use different algorithms and so on in here, which is fantastic. So you can kind of get a gauge of how far away was a gunshot in a game, or footsteps and so on. Fantastic on that end. But for what we're doing with this perspective, we're top down and we're looking at the scene. So if we use this setup, everything's super quiet because our camera's nowhere near the audio that's being played. So I changed this down to 0, and then I put the volume back up to 1. And there you go. Now these volumes will be controlled. If you happen to use like our settings add-on, it will actually have volume control in there, which you can have all this messed with in that point. Alright, so we got that set up now on our alchemist. So let's go ahead and hit play. We're going to go ahead, pick our player, and we'll go up to our alchemist and it's, well, hello, adventurer. There you go. So I interact with him. He immediately talks to me and says hello. Well, hello, adventurer. Fantastic. So I can easily have any type of introduction you want on interaction here with any NPC. I think this will be on every NPC there is, so you can have whatever introductions you want. And then the quest one is pretty simple. When you come in and well, hello, adventurer, you go to quests, it's going to play it when you go into here. So if you want to ask for help on something or anything like that, that's a perfect place to drop that. And that is it for simple NPC audio. I'll catch you in the next one.